Wayne, ready for the video? Wayne, where are you? Come on, Wayne.
To infinity and beyond.
Oh, I don't love your jokes, 007.
You haven't had enough of my jokes. You
I'm sorry, Wayne.
I'm sorry as well. I know how stressful it is.
Yeah, it's won't let us have our tea. Turns out she's still not laughing, is she?
No, she didn't appreciate our M&M joke we made about her. Apparently, her sense of humour isn't as good as ours.
And we've got a mission in about 5 minutes.
Yes, I'm not wearing a watch.
Neither am I.
So, trial and improvement.
Absolutely.
Right. So, we can't really do it, but we can run you through what you've got to do.
Yeah.
X cubed plus 3x equals 21. You're told that the answer is between 3 and 4. So if you put, and then it's called trial and improvement. What you do is you put the values between 3 and 4 into this, and you're trying to find an answer to one decimal place that's as close to 21 as you can. Now, you get marks for being stupid in this.
So you sort of guess, you go, okay, it's between 3 and 4, so you might try 3.5, and it's a calculator paper.
Yeah, so we can't actually do it.
No, so you put the 3.5 into each bit, and then it might not be quite 21, you go, okay, so if it's higher than 21, you'll go lower than it, and if it's below 21, you'll go a bit higher, maybe to 3.6 or something, and then you'll do it again, and you say you'll do it 3 or 4 times, and you'll to one decimal place, and you go, I reckon it's that one, and that's the answer you'll say, but the working is where you get your marks here.
So this is what you get your marks for exactly. You put in what your x is, so as Triv said, start at 3.5 in the middle. You get answer y, that answer is too big because it's above 21, it's about 23, but we don't have a calculator. You then try something smaller, in this case.
3.4 maybe, or 3.3.
3.3 would be good, you'd get y, you'd probably say that's too small. Now you've restricted it, you'd have 3 of the 4 marks, you'd get the 4th mark for saying 3.5 equals where, and it's...
You say it's as close, and then you give that answer.
And you can't go any closer because it's to one decimal place it asks. These would of course give you different answers, so we could really express that with different letters to be precise, but that's what you do.
Yeah, and it is quite easy stuff, it's grade C, but it's quite a lot of marks because it's all to do with the working. Yes. And your logical thinking through it.
Yeah, so going somewhere in the middle, realising what that is. Going down, try and go down as much as you can to make it so you've got more restrictions, is more marks.
Yeah, 3 or 4 is the average that they're expecting.
Yeah, so if you even go down to say 3.2 here, just to be really overboard, that will definitely be too small. You then try 3.3.
You might get it first time, but because you're trying to trial and improve it, you need to make sure that it is the best one by checking the others.
And then put best, tick, something like that. Something to express that that's as close as you can get. That may not be the answer because we have a calculator. But that's how you do trial and improvement.
So there you are, and I think...
The 5 minutes is close to up. I think to try and sneak a tea without Em knowing. So we've got some PG tips in there. Don't tell her.